Welcome to Creativity for Empowerment. And we are going to be doing the next hour. We're going to be empowering you with how to tap into your creativity and also how to tap into your intuition and how these work together. My name's Lucy McMonagle, and I am an intuitive, and I'm also a coach to help individuals. And today we have a very special guest. His name is Sanjeev. Sanjeev, I'm going to let you introduce yourself and then tell us about your Mindful Research Institute.
And my name is Sanjeev Kumar, and I'm a mindfulness practitioner and author of a book, Practicing the Power of Present Moment. And I'm an owner of Canadian Mindfulness Research Center, located in Calgary, Canada. Yeah. And let me tell you something about me related with what I do. So basically, I help the people who are struggling with the power of intuition, creativity, who want to learn about meditation, mindfulness practice in order to raise the productivity. There are lots of the people who are struggling with a stress-free life, work-life balance, and how to overcome the thought of depression, anger, anxiety, where I can help them with the help of the mindfulness practice and the meditation practice to overcome it. That's what I do in the short. Yeah.
Thank you so kindly. So right now we're going to start tapping into and explaining the power of creativity and what creativity means, how you can access it, and then also how you can start following your heart so that you can make a balanced decision so your heart and your mind are in congruency. I'm going to let Sanjeev speak about this for a few moments, and then I'll also speak about it too for congruency of mind and heart.
Yeah, it's a beautiful topic, like the power of creativity in order to access the power of intuition as well. And the creativity is the word which comes from the power of creation. Everybody has the power of creativity within ourselves, but we are lost into the physical world where we are connected with more useless and unwanted thought. Therefore, we'll lose the creativity. So as soon as we move inside with the help of deep meditation practice, we can aware, who we really are. We can understand the secret and the mystery of life. So the right meaning of creativity, whatever you work, do it with your passion. When you live in the solitude, when you connect with our own intuition in terms of connecting with your soul, not with the body and mind. When you move inside, as soon as we go for meditation practice with the help of self introspection, self investigation, self scrutinization. So that's what I can call it as a creativity. Yeah.